Gadon bagay. Ki bagay sa. What thing is that? Hello, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Welcome back to Lang Pam. This is your Asian Creole lesson with LP. Let's go. Ki bagay sa. Well, this is your WOW series, your MSN series, Word of the Week, or Mo Semèn. So the word of this week is BAGAY. And without delay, let's get into it. Let's go. En allez. Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. This is LP. If you are new to this platform, please subscribe and like this video. This will help tremendously. Thank you. What is the word bagay? Bagay is thing, stuff. When you are vaguely describing something, some stuff, kek bagay. But what makes it relevant to be presented to you in this series is because Asian people don't often use bagay how you would accurately use thing or stuff. It is okay for something or some stuff to be translated by kek bagay. And yes, every time you use thing or stuff, you could replace it by bagay. However, there are many cultural meanings or connotations that would make it difficult for you to translate bagay by thing or stuff all the way along. Let me give you an example. Yon bagay ma fè la ple de bagay. Chaque fois ma bagay li refuse bagay. Seriously, so if you are going to translate this, you would say a thing that I am doing, but he refuses to think. Every time I'm trying to think it, he keeps thinking, right? I don't know, what would you say? It keeps stuffing, right? All right, doesn't mean a thing at all, right? Ça pas mean bagay at all. Well, so shout out to my wife and all my Asian friends who usually speak like that. Big up. Yon bagay ma fè la, li pa vle bagay. Chaque fois ma bagay li la ple de bagay. Ki bagay sa? Now, let's get into what makes it easy for Asian to use bagay in such a radical way. Asian Creole is not really a language that requires eloquence or articulateness. This is a language built in the midst of slavery from people of different backgrounds who are trying to communicate and to understand each other. And this is why we always say, Creole parle, Creole comprendre. Now, let's get back to the thing, right? Let's get back to bagay, the thing. Let's get back to it. Sometimes, Haitian people use bagay to be discreet or not to be vulgar or maybe sounded like it. When Haitian people say, c'est pas des bagay m'pap di, let contraire. Watch out the tone, right? They mean more. More means, remember this video? It means there will be cursing, right? Also, when they say, watch out for the tone, c'est pas des bagay m'pa fè lèm rive en bas. It means they will be violent, right? In English, I will do a lot of things when I get down there. Now, remember what I said previously. Every time you want to use thing or stuff, you could replace it by bagay. And there's only way you can translate that. It's bagay. Bagay is thing. Bagay is thing. Bagay is stuff. I do a lot of things. Mwen fè an pil bagay. There's one way that bagay is not thing. It's not stuff. It means one thing specifically. And that is pretty sexy. I don't know, but it is only time when you say bagay, Creole parle, Creole comprendre. Right? You could use bagay every time, any way you like, for thing or stuff. But whenever you put fe, right before bagay, with no other word to separate them. You say fair bagay. Whenever Haitian people say fair bagay, it means one specific thing more often. Okay, let me give you an example. Mwen bare yo kap fair bagay. I caught them having it. You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, fair bagay means doing things, but for Haitian people, more often it means doing it, having it. You're it. You're it. I know you, right? You're it. Thank you for watching. It's a pleasure serving you. Remember, share and like the videos. That will help me a lot. A whole lot. And see you on the next. Thank you. Bye-bye.